Chapter 14. Sea salts.
I have a plan. We'll enlist his crew on a ship bound for the dark side of the moon. Here, put this gear on.
Brilliant, Your Majesty.
I know. Now, which one of these sea captains looks the kindest? Yikes. Nope. Oh dear.
Ahoy! I'm Captain Babybeard, and this is me ship, the Baby's Breath. We're setting sail across the Sea of Tranquility this very hour.
Wonderful. Are you in need of a crew of seasoned sea salts?
Now that you mention it, I am a bit short-handed. Here, sign these contracts.
Yeah, gladly.
Your Majesty, shouldn't we read them first?
Okay, look, there's no time.
But
Look, oh please, toenail robot, what could go wrong?
tune in to the next installment of The First Cat in Space 8 Pizza! 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 Pizza!